Did you know that people spend an average of 13 hours a month managing their finances? That's almost a full day gone. But what if I told you AI could cut that time down to just a few minutes, or even automate the entire process for you? Sounds too good to be true, right? Okay, here we go. Stay with me, because in today's video, we're diving into the incredible ways AI is transforming personal finance forever. And at the end, I'll share a real-life example of how someone used AI to completely turn their finances around. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming a bigger part of our lives every day. From voice assistants to self-driving cars. But did you know it's also reshaping how we manage money? From automating your savings to optimizing investments. AI is here to make managing your finances simpler, faster, and less stressful. Whether you're someone who struggles with budgeting or an experienced investor looking for smarter tools, this video is for you. Let's be honest, managing money isn't easy. Many of us face challenges like sticking to a budget, finding the best way to save and invest, and navigating the overwhelming number of financial tools and advice out there. These challenges often lead to stress, confusion, and even missed opportunities to grow your wealth. But here's the good news. AI is changing all of that. So how exactly does AI improve personal finance? Here are some key areas where AI is already making a huge difference. Smart budgeting. Tools like YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget, use AI to track your spending, categorize expenses, and create personalized budgets. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket. Automated savings. Apps like Digite analyze your spending patterns and automatically move small amounts of money into a savings account without you even noticing. Investing optimization. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront use AI to build and manage investment portfolios tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Predictive financial insights. Tools like Mint and PocketSmith use predictive analytics to forecast your future expenses and income, helping you plan with confidence. These tools work by analyzing tons of data in real time, spotting patterns, and providing actionable insights. And the best part, you don't need to be a financial expert to use them. Let me share a quick story about Monica, a teacher who struggled with saving money. She started using Digit, an AI-powered app, and in just 6 months, she saved $2,500 without even realizing it. She then used a robo-advisor to invest those savings, and a year later, her portfolio had grown by an additional 10%. Monica's story shows that anyone can achieve financial success with the right tools and a little consistency. AI didn't just help her save money, it gave her financial freedom. To recap, here's how AI is revolutionizing personal finance. First, It simplifies budgeting and savings with smart automation. Second, it optimizes investments through robo-advisors. And third, it provides predictive insights to help you plan for the future. Whether you're looking to save more, invest smarter, or just reduce the stress of managing money, AI is here to help. Now it's your turn. How do you think AI could improve your financial life? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Just let me know if you want to clarify about each one of the previous tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Here on TechMoneyAI, we're all about empowering you to take control of your finances with the latest tech and tools. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest better with the power of AI. See you in the next video.